Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to scale the audio up and down for a video in a Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So as you can see, I will just quickly build my project and show you guys the output first. So as you can see, like I have two buttons. One is called pick video and another one is called save video. So once once I click on pick video, all right, it will open the file explorer. From this I can pick only videos. So I have this video inside my downloads directory. Now before I click on open, I want to tell you one bug which is present for Flutter macOS. So once I pick a video, I am showing a video player. So that video player is a native macOS UI. So at the time of this recording, we can't do any kind of gestures on a native UI. So this is a shortcoming from Flutter side. That's why I wanted to show you this issue. So yeah, as soon as the video start playing, I will just save the video and I will show you that it is saved to the downloads directory, and I will just stop the application. Okay, because I can't really pause or mute the video, so it would be very difficult for me to speak. Also, if your video is very big, it might take some time to display the video inside the video player. So be patient, otherwise you might feel the code is not working. So as you saw, I was trying to pause the video but it wasn't working for me. And if I go to downloads directory, here you can see the file was saved. I will just delete this. Okay, next, first as usual, coming back to code, you will have to create a Flutter project, and I have refactored my homepage widget. This one, it is a stateful widget. It has a method channel called video picker platform. It takes a video URL as well. Then I have this method called pick video. So same identifier you will have to use it on native macOS side as well. So once pick video is called, we will get the URL of the transformed video, where we have lowered down the audio or scaled down the audio. In the output I was scaling down the audio, so I have hard coded that. I will show you where exactly I have hard coded it. So the output wasn't much difference, right? It's very difficult for me to make it hear it to you, that's why. So here you will get the URL, and I am assigning it to our video URL variable. And for saving video, we just call this save video method. And here you can see inside UI I have just defined a text button. First one called picks video, second one called save video. And here if video URL is not equal to null, then we define a size box. And here is our native macOS view widget, and it is wrapped inside a size box so that it can be displayed properly. So coming back to this my macOS video view, it extends a stateful widget. Here I have it takes a video URL. Here I have created a creation params, and here I have created one key as well. And here we are initializing our key. Inside creation params, we are passing our video URL. Now the reason why I have applied this key is that so that whenever you pick a new video, our widget should get updated. So for that I have written this particular code. And here I am just checking if it is macOS, then display an app kit view. So the same identifier which you have over here have to be used it on native macOS side as well, so that it can recognize. And we are passing that identifier our key as well as creation params. Next, coming back to macOS side, firstly open the XE workspace of macOS inside Xcode. Then you will have to go to app sandbox inside signing and capabilities. For user selected file, select this read only. For downloads folder, select read/write. For app sandbox, same, user selected file read only, downloads folder read/write. Also you will have to update the iOS deployment target to I think at least minimum macOS 12, as well as inside info make sure this is 12 as well. Then coming back to main Flutter window, firstly I have imported avkit. Then I have created one variable called final URL. Then here we are defining our method channel using same identifier. So once pick video is called, we are calling this open video picker method, which I will show you. So here you can see we are opening our NS open panel. We are filtering by videos. Allow multiple selection is false. Once user selects a video, we get the URL, we send it to this transform method, which I will show you shortly, and then from that we get the updated URL and we send it back. So here you can see in transform method we are getting hold of our file manager, AV URL asset as well as AV mutable composition. Then we get hold of video composition track, audio composition track, then the asset video track and asset audio track. Then we get the duration of the video. Then we insert the time range. We make a time range with the help of the duration and insert that time range inside our video and audio composition track. Then we create an AV mutable audio mix, and AV mutable audio mix input parameter, we set the volume to 0.1. so here you can see I have hard coded the volume, so you can set the volume from 0 to 1, whatever you feel like. If you want, you can send it from Flutter side as well. Then here I have created our input parameters. I have created an export path as well as an export URL. If file already exists, we remove that file. Then we create an AV asset or export session, output URL, output file type, optimize for network usage true. Then we assign it to our audio mix, export our session. Then we assign final URL equal to export session dot output URL and return the final URL. And as you can see over here, once we get the URL, we send it back to Flutter side. Now for save video, we just get hold of our downloads directory. If final URL is not equal to nil, then we create a destination URL with the last path component of final URL. If file does not exist, we return back. If file already exists, we delete it, and then we move the file to destination URL from final URL. That's basically like saving file to downloads directory. And next, for our video player, so this is boilerplate code which you have to write for any kind of integrating any kind of native macOS view inside your Flutter app. The only thing important is this identifier over here which we are using, and here I am referencing our Swift file. So as you can see, I have created this Swift file, so I have imported Cocoa and AV kit. Now this entire bit of code which you see over till here is boilerplate code, so this will remain same. Next, here we are creating our AV player view. Then we are getting the video URL from our Flutter side to native macOS side, and then we just convert this video URL to a proper URL. We create an AV player, assign that player to our player, start playing the video, and here we are returning our player view. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.